following video is a short preview of the reading assignments for Day 3 of the Instructional Strategies course. This video will provide you a brief overview of the content to be covered and help you focus on the main takeaways from the readings. As a reminder, the readings covered in this video are Small Teaching pages 63 to 90 and Teaching for Learning pages 87 to 122. Let's start first with Small Teaching. In this chapter, the author discusses the importance of the sequence of learning. In a traditional learning environment or classroom, we might think about learning a new concept or skill in the way presented on the screen. We focus on primarily one topic at a time until we've mastered that information, and then we move on to a new topic. This is referred to as blocking or massing. Many courses are designed this way, and it's almost certain that you've experienced this type of structure before. Compare this with a different type of structural model called interleaving, or sometimes spaced or distributed learning. In this model within a course, you might be exposed to a topic in a course, and before you've mastered that topic, you move on to the next topic. Then, you return to the first topic later for reinforcement and clarification. Make sure you understand the two major defining characteristics of interleaving described in this chapter. As you're reading this chapter, make sure to consider the following. Which type of structure does research indicate is best for long-term recollection? What are the pitfalls when using an interleaving approach? How are those pitfalls mitigated? When might you use interleaving? When might you use massing? What are the benefits of each? Next, we'll cover the readings from Teaching for Learning. In this chapter, the authors discuss teaching strategies known as reciprocal peer teaching. They report on research that indicates that reciprocal peer teaching can be a very effective means of learning and knowledge retention, but that a few things must be taken into consideration. They mention 4 specific findings. First, adequate preparation time for the teaching phase is necessary. Second, structured tasks may be better than unstructured tasks. Third, both individual and group accountability are needed. And finally, teams usually score better than individuals. As in every chapter, they go on to discuss several specific ideas for utilizing reciprocal peer teaching in the classroom. As you read through these, think about a lesson or a module in one of your own courses where this kind of learning activity might be beneficial. Also consider these questions as you read. What limitations might you have in instituting a peer learning activity? How would you set up the activity to ensure maximum learning? And finally, in which of your own lessons or modules would group activities work to enhance rather than detract from learning? This concludes the reading notes for Day 3. In class, we'll think more about specific ways to enhance courses, lessons, and learning modules using the information gleaned from these chapters. See you in class!